What you see here is an old German washing machine, a Miele automatic W429S. I have a neighbor, not only one, even more. They have coffee, and I converted this old washing machine into a coffee roaster. For all friends who like authentic coffee, everything I need is an old washing machine. Remove all rubber and all the plastic things and use this infrared thermometer. And with this infrared thermometer I'm able to control the temperature, and the rest I need is patience, patience, patience.